Hey everyone, it's Michael and
Reuben!
From Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, bringing you all the spooky stuff. Well,
spooky, out of this world, I don't know.
I kind of feel like I should be in a black suit, sunglasses. This is the release of the Alien.
It is.
Dum, dum, dum.
It's 2022.
It is. So it's a bit odd. We're in 23 and releasing the 22 Alien.
Yes.
They weren't kind of made until 23, were they?
No, that's it. I think it's still coming up on Scottsdale's website as a new item. So yeah, that's it,
Yeah. So they are a Scottsdale production?
They are.
You've already pre-seen these, haven't you?
I have. We got to have a bit of a look over in Germany. We had an interview, which I'll put a little link to up into the top right there.
Yeah.
But yeah, no, we got to see this design, and even some of the variants of it as well. They have some of the proof versions and some other platings, things like that. So we've got two different types here today, not just one. If we look at the boxes,
which do we go for first?
I don't know. Let's. Look, I mean, it's fairly easy. We've got silver in those ones and gold in that one. I reckon we go silver first.
Silver first?
The gold is an intriguing one, I reckon.
So, beautiful Scottsdale packaging, as per normal.
Yeah, so we were talking recently in the Guinea video about it being, a monster box of just a cardboard box or whatever. I mind it less with this one because it is actually still sealed or whatever in there. The other one we had was just kind of, you cut into the tape like you did at the top there, and then that was it.
It's good, thick, reinforced. I mean, it's got to carry a heavier weight, so this is unfair, but it's a good, thick, reinforced box, and it's got printing on it. The other one looked like a...
yeah.
I don't know. I'm not going to say what it looked like.
Anyway, we got some tubes in there. Tubes of 20.
They are 20?
They are 20s.
I haven't looked yet.
The medallion tubes there will be 20s. And we've got...
Now, notice they do come naked. So they come without a capsule. However, we will fix that problem. Oh, now that is cool.
That is very cool.
Gee, Scottsdale do a good job.
Can kind of bounce the light off of there. You can see the difference in the fields there. You get a... I don't want to use the word proof, but you can very much see...
It's a proof-like finish.
Yeah, you can see that it's styled similarly, if nothing else.
Yeah.
It is just a bullion coin, but...
It absolutely is, and it's sold as a bullion coin, just in case the ATO is watching this. It is actually a bullion coin, but it's a very proof-like finish.
They've done a tremendous job there.
And then on the obverse, got Queen Lizzie, looking wonderful. And then that same pattern design that they had on the 21 Alien.
Yes. I
think the mirror finish on that is just sensational.
Yeah. No, I'm geeking out a little bit about that one. I haven't seen one quite so shiny and nice like that. It's very, very good.
That's beautiful. So got those in stock. We won't have them for very long. We bought, 3,000 of them, I think it was. But a good quality, as you'd expect, a Scottsdale production. Now, the kind of one we've been kind of hanging out to open, if I'm completely honest. Do you want to, this is going to take me 5 minutes to get into, Rube. Do you want to give us a bit of a burst on what these are?
We're intrigued to see these because this is the second year they've done the Alien, but this is the first time they're doing these 1/10 ones. And so in case I hadn't said it already, these are 1/10 golds. They're trying their hand with some fractional versions of it. So we'll get to see the design on a fractional gold, but they've actually only got a mintage of 1,000. So
we think, and I haven't actually looked at the invoice, but we think that we scored up towards 10% of the actual mintage.
Which, considering it's a fairly well-known, I'd say, series at this point, like it's kind of established itself already, even just with the one release last year. I think that's pretty impressive.
It's a Scottsdale production.
Yeah.
Start just that fact alone carries quite a bit of weight.
So we're excited to see these, and excited to see if they continue the fractionals all the way through the series.
Well, look, I mean, if you're going to do a size, you're going to do the 1/10.
Yeah, well,
the 1/10 is probably one of the most popular fractional size gold coins out there.
Yeah,
I'm sure we ordered 100 of them, but I'm just not quite going to say that on camera.
He says after having said it on camera twice.
Let's see if the paperwork tells me what we ordered.
when all those
No,
fails
I
read the
lied
instructions.
slightly. 75.
There you go.
So we got 7.5% of the total production.
That's still, considering it's a bullion coin release and not a proof or something like that, that is actually quite a small mintage for a coin like this.
Oh, I was actually quite shocked when we found out it was only 1,000 in the mintage. Mind you, if they're this hard to get at, it won't matter. Whoops! So you can have that one. A la Connor.
I don't know if it showed up on camera if I missed it, but yeah, Michael just threw one at me.
I just flung
gold at me.
Flung gold across the room. Fortunately, it's still in its protective packaging, so nothing will have happened to it.
There's worse things you can throw at me, honestly, if you're going to do it. Gold's one of them that I'm okay with.
I love it.
Ooh, I got there.
I know this is a really dumb thing to say, but it's just a miniaturised gold version of it. But the detail they've actually got, I don't know why I'm putting a glove on, these are capsules. The detail
Capsules
they've got
with some
on
space around them.
Yeah.
Pun intended.
I was going to say, so it's meant to have space around it. And there's so many puns we can play on this one. They got stopped at the border because they didn't have the right paperwork, and mate,
Yes.
it was just...
Yeah, we're actually holding back. I know there'll be a lot of you watching from home, like groaning at some of the puns or whatever we make sometimes. But believe it or not, we actually hold a lot of them back because we tried not to be too bad with it. But
These are a beautiful coin, absolutely beautiful. Limited edition, 1/10. I don't know. I'm trying to kick in my collector's brain here.
and first
First of type.
First of type. So yeah.
With a popular series, Scottsdale produced. I reckon these have got legs.
Yeah, very excited for these. So
Yeah.
we will have links down in the description if you wanted to pick up either of these ones for yourself.
Grab them while you can. I suspect this will be the only delivery of gold and silver that we get in of these.
Yes.
I will try and get more, I would say, particularly having seen the quality of these. I've been a little bit gun-shy with some of the international stuff of late because some of it hasn't turned up in the condition I would have liked. These are stunning.
Yeah.
I will try and get more, but absolutely no guarantees at all. So if you're in the market for some aliens, grab them now.
All right. Thank you very much, Michael. We will see you all in the next video.
Sounds good. See ya.